Welcome back. Welcome to this section on Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. The way you think in structured or procedural programming is completely different from how you would think in object-oriented programming. In this section, you will be introduced to thinking in terms of objects. We will discuss about what is a class, what is an object, what is state, what is behavior, and also discuss about a few important object-oriented basic concepts, encapsulation and abstraction. We will use a lot of examples to discuss about object-oriented programming and the different terminology which is used with respect to object-oriented programming. I am excited to bring this section to you. I'll see you in the next video where we would start with the basics of object-oriented programming. Until then, bye-bye.